Get comfort, style, and trusted performance with this 2012 Honda Odyssey Wheelchair Accessible van. Low mileage, premium features, and BraunAbility's proven accessibility. With only 30,350 miles, this Odyssey offers exceptional value and long-term dependability. It's equipped with a BraunAbility automatic side entry fold-out conversion, giving you simple, reliable access for everyday mobility. The automatic fold-out ramp makes entry and exit quick and easy, while the driver's side turnout seat adds extra flexibility for smoother transfers. The wide ramp and tall door opening provides generous clearance for most mobility devices, making accessibility effortless. Finished in a sleek dark exterior with a refined gray leather interior, this van blends modern styling with comfort and function. The built-in sunroof lets in natural light and fresh air, giving your travels a more open and enjoyable feel. Powered by Honda's dependable 3.5-liter VTEC engine, this Odyssey delivers smooth, consistent performance, perfect for city commutes or long-distance travel. This 2012 Honda Odyssey combines low mileage, luxury comfort, and BraunAbility's industry-leading accessibility. With premium touches like a sunroof and transfer seat, it's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable and adaptable mobility solution. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the perfect wheelchair accessible van for your needs.